Yeah.
And the other ones are these robot guys, my G. Hey, these robot guys or this system. Some guy
Muna,
just
let me
gave
tell
them
you something.
good
If
system.
robots were working, we would all be rich.
Would all be
If
rich, my
robots
G.
were working, we will all be rich. All of
Mm.
us in South Africa, all of us in the world, we will
Like
all be
classic
rich
forex
if
trader.
robots were
Like
working.
how many guys? If everyone, how many millionaires or how many big mentors were gonna be made by classic forex trader? If his robot was working, how many? How many guys were like him? That guy, they like creating impossible things. Things that you too. This thing you'll be like, this is too much. That guy, his last robot, it had binary options, it had IQ options, it had manual signal, auto trading. It talks, it sends you signals on your phone. It's just some impossible shit. Hey, like that. Hey,
When
they're trying their best.
I
As
was
you're
even
saying,
shocked
just
when
viewers.
I was even shocked when Nas Ape said, "Hey, Mina, I have my own robot. I made my own robot." He didn't even pass technology in grade 9. I'm still shocked because he was given condom. And another thing, you have never even studied IT. You can't even open a spreadsheet and open a Microsoft. But how can you formulate your own robot? The trading
Imagine.
hub, I think during this week, he exposed, there was this Telegram, these things, where they got all of these robots of theirs.
Imagine.
We haven't even studied IT, not even N1 of IT. Already we are saying, I've made my own robot.
Imagine. You see, all these
They
guys,
don't know
their
nothing
source
about
codes,
geometry
their source
or
codes of this,
algorithm.
they just edit someone's source code and they just say it's their robot. Just change the name. Okay,
But what do you
just
take
change
on
local
people raising
MQ5
hell, bro?
files and say that, hey, Casey is a clown, boy. That boy, it's easy to find him in PTA. It's easy to find that boy. If you've been scammed by Casey, you should inbox me.
Those people, Mina always live by this slogan, spend. That one, I'm certain for sure. Very short lifespan. That
But
one
the
with
way they
no
give
doubt,
away
and I
with
know.
things, like they don't care, bro. Like Abaswa, dog.
These days, Selena realized that no, they no longer care
Don't you
that.
also be able to kill 15,000 Yamoto without working
So,
that
no, where do you think they get that money? That person who sends you 15,000, they also have their needs, but they sacrifice their needs in order to give you money because they are in hopes that no, I'll gain more money. But these people, they don't think.
You know what's so
Forex
And this is Africa.
whereby you guys can just like
What am I saying?
true.
You know what's
Mina, you know one thing. You know one thing that
Like
I'm certain for
VMJ
sure.
Forex. Forex, though.
Sorry, ne? This one, I'm not a prophet of people, ne? Trying to pay people who hack accounts in order for them to hack a trading hub. That one I'm certain for sure. I'm not a prophet, but I can see that.
In order to happen, us they'll never touch us, Maji. They'll never touch the boy.
Exactly my point. That's why Mina, because they are trying day in and day out in order for them to hack trading hub.
It's bad.
That one I'm certain for sure.
But the thing is, these boys, they're amateurs, they're small boys. Me, G, I'm gonna expose their locations, but you're gonna see.
They I'm certain for sure, Shem.
Don't worry, my G. Their locations are coming soon. Hey, I was saying about VMJ. A guy is
since you started exposing a lot of people, even that guy Easy Forex, he's a DJ nowadays. Hi Shem.
He's a DJ. He's not even a forex. He's not a forex trader. He saw that he built all these people. People who are normal. You see the people who like their post on Instagram. Those are people who never bought their services. Those are people like who just admire.
You are just hating.
Yeah, they just comment. They're just there to like view. They're just inspired. They're just kids in high school inspired, or people who don't buy their services. But they just think this thing is real. They believe in this dream. But people who been scammed by them. Because those guys, Easy Forex, he knows he milked all these people. You'd have milked all his whole database on Instagram. He doesn't have people to milk no more.
And
That's
also,
why he's not
Buffett,
DJing.
I want to ask you a question, Buffett.
you know what's the funniest thing about this thing of social media? Immediately when you start to see people for the first time, you'll think that they are legit. I remember it was back in 2014 when I started using Facebook. At that time I had Facebook. I had a time of 30 runs and Nicki Minaj because I didn't know that there was this thing for fake or opening fake accounts, put someone as a profile picture and stuff. And as time goes on, I still regret to this day.
Another tactics that these scammers are doing, they, because some of that content that they post there, you can't just get it anyway. Like Classic Forex Trader, he opened like 5 fake Instagram accounts on his own, so that he has somewhere to blame, when he scams people. But we all know that it's him, who was actually scamming the people. They like all these guys are Stanley's kids. He'll buy as you're saying, they buy accounts and then he changes his name account using my name, and then he covers all those fires. And then people say, nah. That's why they're always defending them. They'll be like, the boy, it is a Grootman. Hey, show Grootman, it's not him. It's a scam account. It is a big account that's using his name.
Let me try to do something. It's very unfortunate. I want to show you these pictures where Leadership Mantsoe came at my home. That time back then when we were still friends. They will appear because I've long deleted. But that time, I don't think that.
Why is the traders always doing girlfriend allowances on people's
they want to show off, they want to live this life, you see these guys,
they don't want to show off.
Forex is like lotto. Why I say Forex is like lotto to me? Forex is like lotto. It's like a dream that's sold to pure people, so that they believe that one day they can make money. They can make money.
This picture's on show. Same
way. Like
I wanted to show you these pictures, but they don't show them.
But I was saying, what were you saying?
As I was pinning them. Reading up, if you have a girlfriend and that girlfriend knows down, you scam people, you have to try by all means him off so that he doesn't tell anyone. Take a good example. Back in 2014, we had this instance of SANDILE Mantsoe. He was scamming people. When SANDILE Mantsoe gonna go out there and said, no, I'm gonna tell people that no, you are a fake Forex trader and you are scamming people. What did he do? Didn't he kill the girl?
He killed the girl.
Yeah, he killed the girl.
I see those boys. They're actually in a cultism.
Because you know why? Because the only way to shut him up was to do what? Was to kill him. Because if not, he hadn't killed the girl. The girl would have exposed him, and like that time people invested 100,000, so this, so that. I still have pictures, like personally, where I was with SANDILE Mantsoe before fame. Even if you can go to his Facebook account, search him, you'll see my picture, me wearing a blue cap with him, and it was my brother's wedding. No cap, no games, no jokes, bruh.
And like,
no games, no jokes. And that wedding, it was held on Johannesburg Hall.
One question,
and SANDILE Mantsoe, the first time I met SANDILE Mantsoe, he was fixing swimming pool. He came at my home, he tried to fix swimming pool. That time, we were poor, we had nothing, we were still staying in Edenvale. Yeah. The first time I used SANDILE Mantsoe.
You can hear me, Colin.